Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is a skincare routine video. I can't believe I haven't shared an updated skincare routine in about 2 years, believe it or not. I mean, I couldn't believe that I had spent that long without sharing an updated look into my skincare routine. So I thought now is as good a time as ever to share with you my current evening skincare routine. So here I am just setting out and laying out the products that I am using in my routine at the moment. So you will see them in action and how I use these products in my skincare routine in the evenings. So here I am after a day. As you can see, I've got a full face of makeup on. So we're going to be removing all of that in this video with my favorite products. So starting with Nivea Micellar Water, this is their Double Effect Eye Makeup Remover. This is honestly a holy grail product for me. I've been using this for years. I think it's an incredible price point and it's a really good product as well. It does such a good job at removing stubborn eye makeup. I wear waterproof mascara pretty much all the time when I wear mascara, so I actually find that something like this, which is an oil and micellar water blend, is the best and the only way to really thoroughly remove any waterproof mascara. This is just so good. I very simply shake up the solution. You need to shake it so that the oil and the water mix and it activates the product. I apply that onto a reusable cotton pad and then I just use that around the eyes. It just for some reason comes across as really rough, but I promise you it isn't at all. And as you can see, it's so effective. It removes any trace of mascara and eye makeup. My second step is a cleansing balm. This is my favorite step in my skincare routine. I just love how luxurious it is. So I'm using the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is such a holy grail product. It's actually quite a cult classic, to be honest with you. And I think with good reason, I have to say, definitely believe the hype. As far as I'm concerned, this is one of my favorite products to use when it comes to balm cleansers. As you can see, I take a small amount. You really don't need a lot of this actually. A small amount is enough to melt away all that makeup. As you can see, it goes from a balm into a very oily consistency, which is so good to break up any remnants of makeup that you have on your face. It literally dissolves all of your makeup. So think stubborn brow gel, even eye makeup, this would also remove, lip gloss, lipstick, any sort of matte lipstick or anything like that. A red lip, this is particularly good at removing. It can always be quite stubborn to get rid of things like that. Cream products, powder products, foundations, concealers, honestly everything. It just melts away anything that you currently have on your face, any sort of makeup. So on makeup days, a balm cleanser is such an important step in my skincare routine. Once I'm happy that that's gone all over and melted away all of my makeup, I will go in with a cloth, just a cleansing cloth, and wipe away all of that excess. I will, of course, wet this, so there's also water there to just remove everything. Onto my second cleanse next, and this is the Aveeno Calm and Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser. This is actually a new product from Aveeno, and I was so excited to try this out because Aveeno is one of those brands that I really love and actually have really grown to trust with my skin. This particular product is designed for more sensitive skin, which personally, I don't really suffer with sensitive skin or any major skin concerns, but still, it's such a nice calming product, just a great all-rounder. So perfect as a double cleanse in the evenings, but also really great as your morning cleanser too. So this particular product I am using as my second cleanse in the evening, but it's also my cleanser of choice for my morning cleanse as well. It's one of those products that's a really great all-rounder, works both AM and PM. It's just a really good, nourishing product. And as you can see, to remove that, I do the same thing. I go in with a flannel to remove the product. I think a flannel is usually quite good for this because the texture helps to make sure you really get in there and remove everything. And as you can see, I now have a clear canvas. All of my makeup has been thoroughly removed. Which brings me on to toner next. I have been using the Peexo Glow Tonic for such a long time now. This has glycolic acid in there, so it's a really good exfoliator. And I know that sometimes with acids and exfoliators, you need to be a little bit careful in terms of using them daily because of your skin's resistance and like sensitivities. But personally, I use this both day and nighttime, and I don't find my skin is sensitive at all. So it's a really great all-rounder. As you can see, I apply this very liberally just onto my fingertips and then tap into my face, which works really well. Next up from Lancome, this is the Genifique Eye Lash and Eye Serum, I believe it's called. It's definitely got more of a French sounding name. And this has a really great applicator. This is what I love the most about this and has actually made it really pleasurable to use this product. It's the applicator that is really cooling, so it's a perfect daytime and nighttime eye serum product. So I really, really love that. As you can see, it does leave quite a bit of excess moisture and serum around the eyes. So what I do is go in with my index finger quite lightly and then just tap that in all around the eye. As this is both an eye and lash serum, you can use it quite liberally over the eyes, over the lashes as well. Let's talk serum next, and I had to share Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum. This is one of my favorites in my routine. As you can tell, because it is very nearly finished, I really do love this product. I just think it's so good. If my skin is suffering with blemishes, breakouts, anything like that, this will always be my go-to. I could honestly use this every day, daytime, nighttime. It's just such a good product. It's great at combating new blemishes, but it's equally good at making sure those blemishes stay away. As you can see, my skin at the moment is actually quite good. I do have a few blemishes on my chin, but those are mostly hormonal, and I just find that this product is so good. It just sinks straight into the skin and it works magic. Next up, an oil from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Collagen Super Fusion Facial Oil. This is an additional step in my routine, which honestly, I don't know how I feel about this step. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't really know how much this product really changes my complexion, to be honest with you, but I have really been enjoying using it for quite some time now. As you can see, I have used quite a bit of this. With that said, I use it mostly in my evening skincare because it is a facial oil. It's definitely quite oily on the skin, and I'm not using oily in a negative way. It just gives me like that glazed donut effect. As you can see instantly the sort of hydration's there, the oiliness is there, and it's just one of those products that I always save for nighttime for that reason. I think to then apply makeup over this, it would likely be a little bit too heavy in my personal opinion. So I save this for nighttime, but honestly, my skin soaks this up. Then I'm moving on to moisturizer. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. As you can see, this is very battered. It's very well loved. It's a product that I really enjoy using and my boyfriend equally enjoys using. So both of us happen to go through this fairly quickly, but it's such a great all-rounder product, to be honest with you. So I simply scoop out some product, and actually here I just realized that I had potentially applied a bit too much product, but no product goes to waste here. So as you can see, I've used that excess to moisturize my hands. If ever this happens to you, if you ever apply too much product, just use it on your hands and use it on the rest of your body. Like, don't wash it off. Definitely use it. As you can see, I'm using it on my face, of course, but also going down onto my neck and also my chest as well. My neck and my chest are areas that I often forget when doing my skincare routine, but actually they're equally as important as the face is. So that is something that I am really trying hard to remember in my skincare routine, is to bring it all down. And then my final step is lip balm. This is the Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. This is a favorite of mine. Another product that I save for my evening routine because it is particularly thick. In my opinion, a bit too thick for daytime. It really does sort of add a coating over the lips, but it's great to work its magic overnight. As you can see, my skin after this is definitely looking quite glazed, quite glowy, and actually in the next frame you'll see just how quickly my skin has actually drunk up all that product. So here's my skin after my skincare routine is done in the evening. I really hope that you enjoyed watching my evening skincare routine. A very big thank you for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye.